and then I guess I'll buy my new case.
Hey, so, guess what I bought? So for my next build, I guess you could say I'm kind of growing up and leaving the RGB aesthetic, going for an all blackout build. Just because I don't really look at my RGB that much. I don't put my case on my desk. I don't have it shown off to people. Also, it's kind of cheaper, so... This is the Fantex XT Pro, a case that should handle anything I throw at it. Big GPU, big CPU cooler. I think this thing could probably even fit a pump. So the case I have down here is the Fantex Eclipse P360A. This case has served me well. I love this case. But it's time to retire it because it's not going to fit my new stuff. So what I plan on doing is I have an Arctic P12 in the back of my case. So I'm going to put that up here. I'm going to top mount my AIO. And I have two black fans at the top of my case that I'll put here. And then put this fan right here over here. Looks like it's also got space down here too for fans. It's got one hard drive bay down here that I will be taking advantage of because I do have one hard drive. Onto the back, we can see that Fantex was so nice to include a solid front panel connector, which I love to see. We've got a lot of holes to cable manage with, a lot bigger ones compared to what's in the P360A. A lot of room down here to just shove cables in if that's your thing too. And this is, I think, the best part. No flimsy tabs. Instead, they're using these screws that go onto these notches. This video is not sponsored, obviously, but if you're liking what you're seeing in this case does also have the XT Ultra, or Pro Ultra, I believe, model that features RGB. They also have a glass panel one, kind of like how the O11 is, or the Height Y60, where this is glass, this is glass. I chose the one with the mesh because I love that airflow. And then the front panel, we have what looks like reset button, I'm guessing. We'll have to figure that out. Power button, Type-C, and USB. Looks like maybe 2, could be 3, but it's black, I can't really tell. Something that is odd about this case, though, but with more modern setups, maybe not, is it has